Hi everyone, it is Lindsay from Discover Banff Tours here for some more online training for you guys. Today I'm going to show you how to make a booking in the system. So yeah, I'm just going to go through, kind of show you where everything is. And then of course, if you have questions, comments, need more information, want to review anything, feel free to send me an email or give me a call and I can go into more depth with you. Okay, so as always, if you go to our banfftours.com website, scroll down to the very bottom, you're going to see the affiliates page. So click on this. And I would definitely suggest saving this page. So agent.banfftours.com/login. And then you can save your email, your password, everything on here. So you're going to log in and come to this page. So this can definitely be a bit overwhelming because you can see all of our tours and products that are available to you guys are listed right here. So if you go to the right side of the page, there's a drop-down menu, and you can split these up into categories so it's a lot less overwhelming. So for example, if you only want to see ice walks, click on ice walks, it'll only have ice walks for you. If you only want to see sleigh and carriage rides, it's going to go to sleigh and carriage rides for you here. The other option is if you're looking at everything and say I only want to see snowshoe, I can type in snowshoe in the search bar, and this is going to be our snowshoe options that pop up here. Okay, so I think so far all of this makes sense. Once you're on here, so you decide, okay, I'm going to try to book the Johnson Canyon Ice Walk, I just click on the picture and it's going to come right up. On the top, you're going to see a couple of different tabs right up here. So it will go into the product description. It will show you images, if there are images attached, inclusions, whatever's in it. FAQs, this will show up if this is on the website, and then our cancellation policy. Something to note is our cancellation policy has now changed to 24 hours. And that is for anything Discover Banff Tours and Banff Trail Riders. The remaining products on our website are 48 hours, so you want to check this. All right, so once we are in here, you're going to see a couple of different things on the right side here. So the first one is just talking about COVID, so making sure the guests don't have signs and symptoms, they're not going to show up with any, and that they may have to wear a face mask, so that's agreeing to that. And the next one is going to be any children under 17, so they're considered minors, but they will be accompanied with their parent or adult. And then anything else that comes specific to that tour. So this one is talking about, because it's an outdoor activity, is talking about attire or winter clothing. So you might see these in other things, such as if it includes weight limits, certain ages, that kind of stuff will also be included in this area based on that tour. The final one you're going to see is, as the booking agent, you are confirming that you have informed all of these details, like the cancellations, like the restrictions, inclusions, times, that stuff, that you have told the guests this. So you'll need to agree to that as well. Okay, over here, so we'll add in our guests. So let's say I have two adults and a child that are coming on this tour, child in the age of 8 to 12. So the next, I will go down to my calendar and select the dates. So all of these dates are going to show what is available. So I want to go next week. I want to go on the 11th. It's going to show me the times down here and how many are remaining. So there's 6 spots remaining. So if I have 3 guests, I can definitely fit in that time slot. The next I'm going to do is look at where my pickup is. And this is going to be a drop-down menu of all of the pickup locations. Or this is for everything that's in here. So wherever they're staying. So you can search a hotel by this. So let's say Banff Aspen Lodge, because that's the top one. And any notes you want to add in here. It's the guest's birthday. Anything like that you want to add. Or staying at the Moose. So anything like that you can add in the notes here. You will see that it provides the address right here. In the confirmation, it'll actually send a link to where this pickup location is, so where they need to go. And I'm going to check out. So if I wanted to book another tour, I would just go to this continue shopping button, and then it will come up and I just pick another tour and I can add something else in there if I want to. We'll need their first and last name, their email address, and a mobile phone number. And this could be your email address as well if you want the confirmation sent to you. I would definitely suggest doing this at your first couple of bookings so you can see what is included in that confirmation email. And then you're going to tick this box right here that says email, receipt, and tickets. Continue to payment. Your only option is going to be pay full amount by card. So that's going to show up here, and you manually enter the card number and the expiry date and 3 digits. For the purpose of this, I'm able to pay later. You will not have this option, just so you are aware. And it will come through, and you will be able to see this booking. And here's all your information. So you can directly see what your commission is. The guests will not be able to see this, but this is for your purposes to be able to track and monitor yourself. Awesome. So that is how you guys make a booking. If you have questions about any of the products or having issues making bookings, definitely shoot me an email, give me a call, and I'm happy to review with you guys. So thanks for tuning in.